Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session of accountancy. Myself, CSK Khanna from the SD Vidya School. Dear students, we were continuing to the topic of computerized accounting system, and there we had discussed various aspects relating to the computerized accounting. Let's understand some more very important and significant points relating to the computerized accounting. Now here we will discuss in terms of question answer form. The question states first, state the four basic requirements of a database applications. Dear students, you all had come across a word DBMS, Database Management System. First of all, we must understand what we mean by the word database management system. Dear students, understand as a manager, when you are managing any activity or organization, you need the information because information is very valuable assets on the basis of which you will take the decision and you will plan about the various activities and affairs. So database management system DBMS means that management system which is based upon the data or the information. Now, for the managers, DBMS proves a very important source and in type of a asset because only on the basis of the data which is provided to the management, the managers they undertake very significant decisions and they will forecast and plan about the future. So, database management system DBMS is that accounting system which is based upon the computer and provide the information to the managers which helps them to take the very effective and very significant decisions. Now question arises, what is the requirement of a database applications for installing database management system? Because data is a very important element, what we have the need of that. The following are the four basic requirements of a database application. Here understand, if we want to install a very effective and successful database management system, we have to install a database application. And in order to install that database application, we require the four important basic steps. First step say front end interface. It acts as interactive connecting link between the user and the database oriented software through which the user communicates or interacts to the backend database. What here means front-end interface means the person who gives the input to the organization, to the system through which the organization system process the data. It means the person or it means a type of a software which interacts between the user and the software to provide the data so that the data should be processed in the next step. So it is front end interface. It is called front end interface because it acts as an interactive connecting link between the user and the database oriented software. For example, you want to interact database application. What you need? You need yourself, a system and accounting software through which you give the information to the system. Now when the information is given, so it is an interaction between whom? Between the user and the software through which the data is given to the system or to the computer. Second step say backend database. It is the data storage system. We say RAM and ROM, random access memory, read-only memory. So it is a storage system of a computer. We all know that computer is having a large storage. So it is the data storage system that is hidden from the users. It will not be looked by you. It will not be appeared in front of you. It responds to the requirement of the user to the extent the user is authorized to access. कई बार आप कोई फाइल को असेस करना चाहते हैं, असेस नॉट बीन गिवन टू यू, it is denied to you. So it is backend database. This is a type of a storage in the computer through which the information is stored in the computer, and it helps to the user to get the access of that only with the permission. Then data processing. After the data is given through the front-end interface, back-end database is authorized to get the refined information. It is a sequence of action that are taken to transform the input data into useful information for taking various decisions. It is called the processing. Here, the processing is done with the help of what? With the help of various types of the programs, various instructions which are given to the software. So data are processed. And what is the output? What is the outcome? Outcome is the reporting system. It is an integrated set of objects that includes all the relevant information that constitute a report. We all know that there are a number of users of the information. So output is generated in terms of various reports, various systems as per the requirement of the various users. So in order to install the database management system, a database application is to be installed. That includes the four basic requirements. First, it is the front-end interface, then it is the back-end database, then it is the data processing, and then a reporting system. So once again, input is called in terms of the front-end interface, where you install or where you give the input to the system or to the computer. Back-end database means you've been given the access, or you may take the use of that information which is developed by the software or by the program. Data processing, where the data is processed as per the software instructions or the program which you had installed in that particular system. Reporting system, that is the output which is given to you. So output is given in terms of the various reports, various statements. Then come across to the next part, the various categories of accounting packages. I had also shared with you in my earlier video also that there are the broadly three types of the packages or three types of the software which are used. They are known as the categories of accounting package. I repeat the word, categories of accounting package, which means what type of the accounting software or packages which can be used generally with reference to the computerized accounting system. As usually, there are three types of the packages. One is called a ready-to-use or ready-made software. Second, it is called the customized software. And third, it is the tailored or tailor-made software. So we will understand further in detail what these three types of the packages or software here means. Now, with reference to ready-to-use or ready-made software, as you all know, what we mean by the ready-to-use or very simple, easily used, straightforward. They are categorized as those software which are readily available in the market and the user can directly use them without making any type of the alteration. Customized software, like the job order is to be given, which is to be developed on the instructions or requirement of the customers. Tailor or tailor-made softwares are those softwares which are earlier as a ready-made software available, but you could have the alteration in that regarding the particular requirement of a particular organization. I would continue this in our next level of understanding regarding the computerized accounting system. With reference to the advantages of computerized accounting system, they are very simple and already we had studied, like its speed is very high, it has a very great level of accuracy, reliability there, that we can rely on the information which is given under computerized accounting system, up-to-date information, that latest amendments and latest update information is available. Real-time user interface means there is no time gap between the information and the user. You can directly real time, you can directly without the time gap use the information. Automatical document production, if you want to generate any report on the basis of the data which is there in the computer, you can automatically generate the report. Scalability means the level or increase or the decrease level. skill. You may do the work at high level, you may do at the lower level depending upon your requirement. Legibility means that it is also legally authorized to have the understanding of those information which is generated through the computer. I will continue in my next video relating to the other aspects of the computerized accounting system or very important database management system.